Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. My name is Mongai Kihara. Today we are in Ruiru, Matangi, and to be specific, we are exactly 100 meters from Kimbo Junction Road, and we are exactly 2.6 kilometers from Thika superhighway. Next to me is the 3-bedroom all-ensuite home with a print area of 145 square meters. This home has been built on a 40 by 60 piece of land, and the price is 6.8 million. This home comes with a 1-car parking on this side and a 2-car parking on the other side. On top of that, this home comes with an electric fence, a gauge wire above it, and an electric alarm. But I'm so disappointed because all these security features will not protect me from the scorching sun. I'll take you inside. Wow! If this home does not make 6.8 a worth purchase, then we have a problem as a country. As you can see, the living area is very beautiful and it is big enough for a 7-seater to a 10-seater couch. The TV area can be done on this side or on this other side. So that makes this room very flexible for the arrangement of your furnitures. This opening will take you to the bedroom area, and in front of me you have the dining area of this home. Next to it you have the kitchen, and as you can see, this room gets a lot of light from this big window and the transparent door. Before I take you to the dining area, I want you to have a look at the craftsmanship of this gypsum ceiling, and the lighting is perfect. Beautiful, right? The dining area is sufficient for a big family, and this one is big enough for a table set of 6 to 10 people. The dining area comes with a wash basin, a big window that will set maximum lighting to the dining table, and an opening to the kitchen. This home adopts the open plan method. That's why you can see there is some laminar flow from the living area through the dining area to the kitchen. This kitchen comes with ceramic countertops all over. And before I show you anything else, in a previous video, I mistook granite countertops to concrete ones. Generally, there are 4 types of countertops. We have marble, concrete, ceramic, and granite countertop. The last 3 are used in developing countries or budget homes, but marble is used for the posh houses. But I hope you'll keep that in mind because I may be very well learned but not properly educated. I'll show you the kitchen. As you can see from there, the kitchen is sufficient for a medium income family, and it comes with a sink area here which holds a double sink, and it's next to the window. This door will take you to the laundry area and the clotheslines area. On this other side, you'll have a space for your cooking stove. Above it, you have an extra cabinetry, and below it, you have extra storage. The refrigerator will be kept on this side. I'll show you the clotheslines area. This is the clotheslines area and the laundry area. If this space is not sufficient, you'll have an extra space on this side. I'll take you inside. From the laundry area through the dining area, here we are at the center of this home. On my right hand side, you'll have the primary bedroom, and behind me you have the second bedroom. The first bedroom is on my left hand side, and we'll start with the first bedroom. The first bedroom is the smallest, so it would easily be used as the guest bedroom, the employee quarters, or a room for your small kids. This room comes with its closet here and its bathroom next to the closets. This bedroom also comes with a very big window that will give you maximum natural light, and you don't need to put the lights on while you are in this bedroom. As I said, this is the bathroom to this bedroom, and it's just similar to the bathroom that I'll show you in the second bedroom. One thing that I still don't understand is why we put the wash basin outside the bathroom. But if it works, I don't know why I'm getting worked up by it. I'll take you to the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, the second bedroom is here. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first bedroom, and it comes with a bigger wardrobe and a similar size bathroom. The rooms in this home comes with one of the highest closets that we have seen in this channel, and this closet comes with some spaces here for your suits or hangable clothes, and we have some spaces here for the shoes or for your foldable clothes. This side is just similar to this one. I'll show you the bathroom. The bathrooms comes with space here for the washroom area, and behind the door you have some space for the showering area. Let's see the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, this is the primary bedroom, but I like it that the second bedroom and the primary bedroom have been separated by the common washroom. That will give the parents or the owners of this home a space to fill the world. I'll show you the common washroom. The common washroom adopts the similar concept that we saw in the other washrooms. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with its bathroom on this side. The closet to this bedroom is on my front. This bedroom comes with a massive window that opens to the front side of this home. The closet or the wardrobe of this bedroom is sufficient for you and your partner, and it adopts the same concepts that we saw in the previous bedrooms. The washroom to this bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with a showering area on this side, and on the far end you have your washroom area. That's all for this bathroom. We have come to the end of this video, and I hope you have enjoyed. Remember, I said that this home is going only for 6.8 million. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, never stop watching. Bye bye.